In this video, we talk about how to change your furnace filter, why and how often. That's starting right now.
Welcome to Home Buyers School, brought to you by Brookfield Residential.
Hi everyone, I'm Carl. Welcome to another Home Buyers School video, specifically our homeowner how-tos. And remember, if this is your first time on this channel and you want to get the latest strategies from the experts, hit the subscription button below, hit the little notification bell so you don't miss anything. So today we're actually in the basement of a home, joined by Ilana Sinija with Brookfield Residential, and we're going to show you how to change a furnace filter in your home. So Ilana, before we begin, why would we want to do this?
Great question. I'll give you 3 reasons why it's really important to be changing your furnace filter. The first one would be it will prolong the life of your furnace. The second is it's going to improve the air quality inside your home. And the third is it's going to reduce your energy costs.
Perfect. Let's get to it.
Absolutely. So the first step you're going to want to do is locate the metal box situated between the return air duct and the furnace itself. That's this little guy right here. You're going to want to remove the cover first. Give it a firm tug because it's a friction fit. In here, you'll see your dirty filter. Sometimes it can be a little bit tricky to pull out. If you're having a hard time pulling it out, a good tip is to turn your furnace off entirely. This way, this should come out with ease. After you take your dirty one out, go ahead, put your clean one in. You'll want to line up the arrow on the filter to be facing the furnace itself. Put your cover back on. And that's it, you're done.
So when would you actually change this? How often?
You know, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. For the first year, we recommend you check it once a month to see how long one filter will last you. If you're unsure, a good idea is to probably change it once every 3 months. I found it's helpful to set up an online subscription. It's delivered to my door every time I know I need to change it.
Perfect. Thank you very much for joining us. And remember, if you have any questions about changing your furnace filter, let us know in the comment section below. And remember, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you very much for joining us, and we'll catch you next time.
That's another edition of Home Buyers School. Tune in next time for more expert tips and tricks. And visit homebuyerschool.ca to bring you one step closer to finding your dream home. As with everything, it would be great if you like and share our videos. Also, please let us know if you have any home buying questions you want us to answer.